Federal officials are urging people to stay vigilant as we try to beat COVID-19, saying it's up to all of us to help bring numbers down. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Today, new warnings from White House officials begging Americans to hold on just a bit longer.
When I'm often asked, are we turning the corner? My response is really more like we are at the corner. Whether or not we're going to be turning that corner still remains to be seen.
Scenes like this in Miami causing fear of a possible fourth surge.
We're still hanging out at 55,000 cases a day. And we're watching what's happening in people who are vacationing right now, and that concerns me a lot.
Health officials worry we could be one step behind Europe, now battling yet another wave of COVID-19. More and more patients being treated in Belgium, with infections now up 40%. The country now on lockdown for a month. But the Biden administration says it's doing everything possible to prevent a similar situation here, shipping out 27 million doses of vaccine this week, 5 million more than the week before. Mass vaccination sites like this new one in Atlanta popping up all over the country. The government also dedicating $81 billion as part of the president's rescue plan to help schools resume full-time in-person learning with a focus on equality.
Only 28% of black students are going to school in person daily. 33% of Latino students, and only 15% of our Asian students, compared to half of white students that are doing it daily throughout our country.
The White House says it will withhold $41 billion in aid for K-12 school reopenings until governors submit plans on how their states will close the gaps in education equity that the pandemic has only made worse. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.